Hello, second grade. Today at this station we are making penguin masks. You guys should be able to see a piece of paper with the mask on it at this station. Please grab one and you're gonna follow along with me on this video. The first thing you're gonna do is take a pair of scissors and cut the mask out. Try your best to cut along the edges of the penguin mask. If you mess up, it's okay. We can always tape it. Alrighty. If you need to pause the video and finish cutting, go ahead and do that now. This should be kind of what your mask looks like. The next thing I'm going to do is cut out the eye circles. That way you're going to be able to look through it. Right now I can't see anything, can I? No. So we're going to have to cut those out so we can be able to look through the mask. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take one side, I'm going to flip it over like this. With your scissors, cut a little slit. See that? Just like that. Now you have two slits in one of the circles. Now you're able to go through like this and cut out the circle. Don't be afraid to do this slowly because it is a bit difficult, especially if it's your first time. And again, if you don't get exactly on the edges, don't worry about it. This is a fun project. I don't want it to be stressful or make anyone upset. All right, I have one eye done. With the other eye, and really quickly just notice how I don't have all the white completely cut out right here. That's okay. If yours is like that too, don't worry about it. For the next eye, just make sure you're bending it again. Take your scissors and cut two slits. Poke your scissors through and go ahead and start cutting along the edge. If you're having trouble with this part, you can pause the video, and if myself or Mrs. Wyatt isn't busy, we might be able to help you. Otherwise, just do your best, and I'm sure you guys can handle it perfectly. Alrighty. There's the other one. Again, there's some white left, but that's okay. Now, you can look through it. Woohoo! I like how the beak's covering the nose. Alright, you're done with your scissors. You can have a yellow marker, a yellow crayon, or pencil, maybe even like a light orange. That would be fine as well. And you're going to color the beak in. I found a yellow marker, so that's what I'm using. All right, it's all done. Now I have a beak and some eyes. The next thing that we're going to do, this is the last step. Instead of holding it with your fingers, both sides, there should be popsicle sticks at this station. You're going to either glue or tape the popsicle sticks to the mask so you're able to hold the mask a little easier than just with your hands. I'm going to take glue because that's what I found, but we might have tape there. It'll be either glue or tape. Now, I'm trying to decide, do I want the popsicle sticks here or do I want to hold them off to the side? I kind of want to do it here, right under the beak. So that's what I'm going to do. If you find that the popsicle sticks, it's easier for you to have them to the side, that's fine. This is your own little creative project. So I put a little glue on the paper and a little bit of glue on the popsicle sticks. Remember, dot, dot, not a lot. And I'm just going to hold the popsicle stick down. This is if you're using glue. Make sure you're pressing it down. Okay. And then you might want to let it dry a little bit. But after it dries a little bit, you should be able to just hold it up. And there's your mask. It's all done. Now, today when we research penguins or read about different penguins, you have your little investigator mask or goggles, if you will, to look through and read more about penguins. Alrighty, and make sure you show me what it looks like because I want to see your different creations.